Imagine two friends, Alex and Sam. They're out for a nice dinner. The bill comes to exactly $200, and they both reach for a piece of plastic. Alex pulls out his debit card. He swipes, and in that exact second, the bank reaches into his checking account and takes $100 out. It's gone. His dinner is paid for with money he already earned. No lingering bills, no future stress. Sam pulls out his credit card. He swipes, but no money leaves his bank account. Not today. Sam just made a promise to pay the bank back later. Think of the debit card as a digital check. When you use it, you are spending your money. There's no borrowing and no surprise bill at the end of the month. The biggest benefit? Control. You can't spend money you don't have. It's the ultimate tool for staying on a budget. But there's a catch. If a hacker steals your debit card information, they are stealing your rent money. It can take weeks to get that cash back while the bank investigates. Now, look at Sam. When he swipes his credit card, he's taking a tiny short term loan. If he pays it back in full, he just got a free loan and likely earned points or cash back just for eating dinner. But here is the danger. If you don't pay that bill in full, the bank starts charging you interest. And in 2026, the interest rate can be as high as 25%. That dinner could end up costing you double if you aren't careful. So, why bother with credit? Scores. Every time Sam pays on time, his credit score goes up. That's the magic number that helps him buy a house or get a better rate on a car. Alex's debit card? It does nothing for his score. Plus, if Sam's card is hacked, he just calls the bank. The bank removes the charge, and Sam's actual bank account is never even touched. So, which one should you use? If you want to avoid debt at all costs, stick with debit card. But if you're ready to build your future and have the discipline to pay your balance in full every month, credit is the more powerful tool. I'm Finn, and this is the Finance Lab. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover next.